Welcome students. In this session we will have a program about the Bachelor of Science 3rd year subject Botany Core, semester 5, course code BOC 106, course title Cell Biology and Plant Biochemistry. Title of the unit, Unit 4 Biomolecules, module name Vitamin, broad classification of vitamins and their properties. Myself, Dr. Nisha Kevat, Assistant Professor from Department of Botany of DPM Shri Mallika Arjun and Shri Chetan Manju Desai College. Outline: in this presentation, we will be covering about what exactly is a vitamins, significance of vitamins, about a general idea of the vitamins, then we will talk about the classification of the vitamins, and also we will study some of the major properties of fat and water soluble vitamins. Learning outcome: at the end of the session, student will be able to understand the importance of vitamins, learn their properties, and also they will be able to classify the types of vitamins. Vitamins, what exactly are the vitamins? There was a researcher named Kashmiri Fung. He was the one who coined the term vitamin from the word vital amines. These vitamins usually do not provide energy to the body, but however later on it was discovered that it was not having a amine group. So, what happened from the vitamin, the E was dropped and a new name was given which was referred to vitamin only without E. Significance of vitamins: majorly their role is to boost the immunity, prevent the illness, slower the rate of aging, and also they are required in a various metabolic functions of the body. About the vitamins: first of all, they are required in a very small quantities. They are essential to overall health and proper functioning of body system. That means they are not optional, they are mandatory. Vitamins works together with other biomolecules to perform various functions. They also differ in their sources and also the site of absorption and also a site of storage. Deficiencies as well as the toxicities will be caused when too little, that will refer to deficiency, or too much will be consumed, then it will lead to toxicities. Coming to classification of vitamins, vitamins are broadly classified into fat soluble and water soluble. Under fat soluble, there are 4 vitamins that are grouped, that is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Under water soluble vitamins, there is a one major vitamin that is called as a vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Under vitamin B, we have a thiamine referred as B1, riboflavin B2, niacin B3, biotin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, folate and vitamin B12. Coming to the fat soluble vitamins, they are stored in a liver and fatty tissues of the body. They allow the body to draw these stores when dietary intake is low. Body storage capacity for fat soluble vitamins increases the risk of toxicity. Large quantities stored will build up in the liver as well as in the fatty tissues, which will start appearing or start giving the symptoms of toxicity. Coming to some of the properties of fat soluble vitamins: fat soluble vitamins protects the cell membrane from free radical damage, that is reactive oxygen species. It is also absorbed into the lymph with fats from the foods. Large storage capacity takes place in the fatty tissues. They do not require to be consumed daily and their toxicity is more likely which is seen. Fat soluble vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, all of them are soluble in lipids and not in aqueous solution, and therefore they are called as fat soluble vitamins. They are very much important in a vision, bone formation, antioxidant property and also in blood clotting. They are stored in the body. Coming to some of the general concepts about the water soluble vitamins, there is a limited storage capacity in the body for water soluble vitamins. Deficiency of water soluble vitamin is very common. Extra amount which is being taken up by the human body will be excreted in the form of a urine, and therefore there is a very less risk of the toxicity. Toxicity is most frequently seen due to the supplement issue. Properties of water soluble vitamins: They act in a cytosol since they are water soluble, or they will also work in a extracellular fluid such as blood. They will absorb directly into the blood. There is little or no storage capacity for a water soluble vitamins. It needs to be consumed regularly to prevent the deficiency since it do not have a storage capacity. So, therefore, their toxicity is also rare. Coming to water soluble vitamins, thiamine, that is vitamin B1, it acts as a coenzyme, that is thiamine pyrophosphate, which helps in the decarboxylation process. Riboflavin, which is referred as a vitamin B2, it acts as a coenzyme flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD, and flavin mononucleotide, that is FMN. It helps in the electron transfer. Niacin, vitamin B3, it is a nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD+, and also nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So, they helps in a oxidation reduction reaction. Biotin, it acts as a coenzyme biocytin, it helps in a carboxylation process. Then pantothenic acid, that is vitamin B5, it acts as a coenzyme A, it helps in a acetyl group transfer. Pyridoxine, which is vitamin B6, it acts as a coenzyme in the form of pyridoxal phosphate, and it helps in a transamination, that is transferring the amino group. Pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, coenzyme A, and acetyl group transfer. Pyridoxine, vitamin B6, pyridoxal phosphate, it helps in a transamination. Folate or folic acid, tetrahydrofolate, it helps in a methyl group transfer. Cobalamine, that is vitamin B12, it acts as a coenzyme, that is methylcobalamine, it also helps in a methyl group transfer. Ascorbic acid, which is another name for vitamin C, it acts directly as a vitamin C, it helps in the synthesis of the collagen and also healing of wounds. Summary, in this slide we have studied about what exactly is a vitamin, their significance and their classification, that they are divided into fat soluble and water soluble, and then we learned a very major properties of the vitamin A, D, E, K, vitamin B complex and vitamin C. These are the references. Thank you.